Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss few more important examples on partial differentiation. So our next example is, if x power x into y power y into z power z equal to constant, then show that del 2z by del x del y equal to minus x log ex whole inverse at x equal to y equal to z. So in this examples, we are given x power x into y power y into z power z equal to constant, and we have to find the second order partial derivative of z with respect to x and y. So from this notation of operator, it is clear that z is our dependent variable and x and y are independent variables, and we have to find the second order partial derivative of z with respect to x and y when x equal to y equal to z. So given x power x into y power y into z power z equal to constant, and here z is dependent variable, x and y are independent variables. Now we take log on both sides of equation first. We get log of x power x into y power y into z power z equal to log c. Now in left hand side we apply the property of log, that log m into log n equal to log m plus n. So using the property of log, in left hand side we have log x power x plus log y power y plus log z power z equal to log c. Further, we know that log m power n is n log m. So again, using the property of log, this expression become x into log x plus y into log y plus z into log z equal to log c. Now we differentiate partially equation second with respect to x. Here x and y are independent variable and z is dependent variable. So first we differentiate equation second with respect to x partially. We get here differential of x into log x. We differentiate this term by using u into v formula. So differential of u multiplied by v plus differential of v multiplied by u. So we get x as it is, differential of log x is 1 with respect to x is 1 upon x, plus now differential of x is 1 with respect to x multiplied by log x. So using u into v formula, we get the differential of x into log x is x into 1 upon x plus log x. Now this term is purely function of y, and since we are differentiating with respect to x, so the independent variable y is constant in partial differential. So this whole term is constant and therefore its derivative with respect to x is 0. Now this is z. Z is dependent variable. So dependent variable get differentiation with respect to every independent variables. This is not constant. This is dependent variable, and dependent variable always get differentiation with respect to every independent variable. So we differentiate z log z using again u into v formula. We get u as it is z, differential of v log z is 1 upon z, and derivative of z is partial derivative of z is del z by del x. So multiplied by z, derivative of log z is 1 upon z, and then derivative of z is del z by del x, plus now differential of z, partial derivative of z with respect to x is del z by del x, which we take common from these two terms, multiplied by v, that is log z. So log z here. So derivative of z is del z by del x into multiplied by v, so log z, and then we take del z by del x common, equal to, here right hand side we have log c constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Now here x to x cancel, here z to z cancel, and we can write the above expression as 1 plus log x plus 1 plus log z into del z by del x. Now from this expression we find the value of del z by del x, that is the partial derivative of z with respect to x, which is del z by del x is equal to minus 1 plus log x upon 1 plus log z. So this is the partial derivative of z with respect to x, and we have to find the second order partial derivative of z with respect to x and y. So here we have del z by del x. Similarly we can obtain value of del z by del y. Del z of del y is what? Minus 1 plus log y upon 1 plus log z. Similarly, when we differentiate equation second partially with respect to y and simplify, we get del z by del y, the partial derivative of z with respect to y is minus into 1 plus log y upon 1 plus log z. So these are the values of del z by del x and del z by del y, that is the partial derivative of z with respect to x and the partial derivative of z with respect to y. Now as we have to find second order partial derivative of z with respect to x and y, that is we have to find del 2z by del x del y. So either we can differentiate equation third with respect to y partially, then we get del 2z by del x del y, or we can differentiate equation 4 with respect to x partially, then we get del 2z by del x del y. So we in this question we differentiate equation 4 with respect to x. So differentiate equation 4 with respect to x partially, we get, now the partial derivative of del z by del y with respect to x is del by del x of del z by del y. The partial derivative of del z by del y with respect to x is del by del x of del z by del y, equal to, here negative we write outside, del by del x of 1 plus log y upon 1 plus log z. So we differentiate equation 4 with respect to x partially. Now this left hand side become del 2z upon del x del y, del 2z upon del x del y equal to, now here since we are going to differentiate this expression with respect to x partially, so the other independent variable, that is y, is the constant. So 1 plus log y is a purely constant expression. So we write outside the partial derivative operator, and we have del 2z upon del x del y is equal to minus 1 plus log y, which is constant with respect to x, into del by del x of 1 upon 1 plus log z. Log z, here z is dependent variable, and dependent variable is not constant. Dependent variable always get differentiation with respect to every independent variable. So now we differentiate 1 upon 1 plus log z with respect to x partially. So we get minus 1 plus log y as it is. First we differentiate 1 upon 1 plus log z. So we get minus differential of 1 upon 1 plus log z is minus 1 upon 1 plus log z whole square. As the differential of 1 upon x is what? Minus 1 upon x square. So differential of 1 plus log z is minus 1 upon 1 plus log z whole square, multiplied by derivative of 1 plus log z. So the derivative of 1 is 0, and the partial derivative of log z is 1 upon z, and partial derivative of z is del z by del x. So now this is the differential of partial differentiation of 1 upon 1 plus log z with respect to x. Now del 2z upon del x del y is equal to, here negative negative positive, then we write 1 plus log y upon 1 plus log z whole square into 1 upon z. Now here we put the value of del z by del x from equation 3rd. So from equation 3rd, the value of del z by del x is what? Minus 1 plus log x upon 1 plus log z. So this is the second order partial derivative of z with respect to x and y. And as we have to find the value of del 2z upon del x del y at x equal to y equal to z. So we put x equal to y equal to z in right hand side. We get at x equal to y equal to z, del 2z upon del x del y is this negative sign, 1 plus log x as x equal to y equal to z. So 1 plus log x upon 1 plus log x whole square into 1 upon x into 1 plus log x upon 1 plus log x. All y and z we replace by x as x equal to y equal to z. Now here 1 plus log x cancel, and here 1 plus log x 1 power cancel, and in denominator we have only 1 plus log x. So the value of del 2z upon del x del y is equal to minus 1 upon x into 1 plus log x at x equal to y equal to z. Now log e is what? 1. So in place of 1 we write log e, which gives minus 1 upon x log e base e is 1. So log e plus log x. Now log m plus log n is log mn. So from above expression we get del 2z upon del x del y is equal to minus 1 upon x into log ex, and we transfer this denominator in numerator, then we get the inverse power. So the value of del 2z upon del x del y when x equal to y equal to z is minus x into log ex whole inverse. So this is our required proof, and this is an important question frequently repeated in various university examination. Next question is, if u is equal to function of r where r square is equal to x square plus y square, then show that del 2u by del x2 plus del 2u by del y2 equal to f double dash r plus 1 upon r into f dash r. So here we have to prove the second order partial derivative of u with respect to x plus second order partial derivative of u with respect to y is equal to f double dash r plus 1 upon r into f dash r. Here u is function of r, so we cannot differentiate u with respect to x partially directly. But since r is function of x and y, so u is function of r and r is function of xy, so indirectly u is function of xy. So to differentiate u partially with respect to x and y, we use the chain rule of differentiation. Given r square equal to x square plus y square. Now we differentiate equation first with respect to x partially. So here r is dependent variable and x and y are independent variable, and we are going to differentiate r square with respect to x partially. Then we get differentiation of r square with respect to x is 2r del r by del x equal to, here y is constant with respect to x, so derivative of y square is 0 and derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x, and which implies here 2 to 2 cancel and we get the value of del r by del x is equal to x by r. Similarly, we differentiate equation first with respect to y partially. So r is dependent variable, so r get differentiation with respect to x and y both. So the differential of r square with respect to x, y is 2r del r by del y equal to, here with respect to y, x is constant, so derivative of x square is 0 and the derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y, and which implies 2 to 2 cancel and the value of del r by del y is y by r. So here we find the value of del r by del x is x by r and del r by del y is y by r. These value we required in our further solutions. Now given u is equal to function of r, we differentiate u with respect to x partially because u is function of r and r is function of x and y. So we can differentiate u with respect to x and y partially using the chain rule of differentiation, and we get differentiate 4 with respect to x partially. We get the partial differential of u with respect to x is del u by del x equal to, now derivative of f of r is f dash r multiplied by derivative partial derivative of r with respect to x is del r by del x, and as the value of del r by del x we already calculated is x by r, so we get del u by del x is equal to f dash r into x by r. So this is the partial derivative of u with respect to x using the chain rule. Now as we required the second order partial derivative of u with respect to x, that is del 2u by del x2. So we again differentiate del u by del x with respect to x partially. We get partial derivative of del u by del x with respect to x is del by del x of del u by del x is equal to del by del x, that is the partial derivative with respect to x of f dash r x into 1 upon r. So in left hand side the expression become del 2u by del x2, the second order partial derivative of u with respect to x, is equal to, here we apply u v w formula for differentiation, that is derivative of u multiplied by v and w, then plus derivative of v multiplied by u and w, and finally derivative of w multiplied by u and v. So using the multiplication rule of derivative, we get differential of f dash r with respect to x, partial differential of f dash r with respect to x is f double dash r, and then multiplied by derivative of r with respect to x is del r by del x multiplied by x by r, plus now differential of x with respect to x is 1, then multiplied by f dash r upon r, plus now we multiply by f dash r into x, and derivative of 1 upon r, derivative of 1 upon r is minus 1 upon r square, and multiplied by differential of r is del r by del x. So this we differentiate del u by del x with respect to x partially using the multiplication rule of derivative, and this is the value of del 2u by del x2. Similarly, the value of del 2u by del y2 can be obtained by replacing x by y. So here we further simplify this expression. So del 2u by del x2 is f double dash r. The value of del r by del x is x by r. So x by r into x by r is x square by r square, plus f dash r by r minus f dash r. Del r by del x is x by r. So we get x square by r cube. So this is our value of del 2u by del x2. And similarly, we replace x by y, we get the value of del 2u by del y2. So similarly we get del 2u by del y2 is equal to f double dash r into y square by r square plus f dash r upon r minus f dash r into y square by r cube. Now we add equation 6 and 7, we get del 2u by del x2 plus del 2u by del y2 equal to, here f dash r upon r square is common from these two terms, and we get x square plus y square into f dash r upon r square plus f dash r upon r plus f dash r upon r is equal to 2 times f dash r upon r, minus here again we have f dash r upon r cube common from these two terms. So we take negative f dash r upon r cube common, we get x square plus y square f dash r upon r cube. Now as the value of x square plus r square is given r square, so in place of x square plus y square we put r square, and we get r square into f double dash r upon r square plus 2 times f dash r upon r minus r square into f dash r upon r cube. Here r square to r square cancel, and here r square is cancelled by r cube, and we get 1 upon r. So we have f double dash r plus 2 times f dash r upon r minus f dash r upon r. Finally 2f dash r upon r minus f dash r upon r, we get f dash r upon r. So del 2u by del x2 plus del 2u by del y2 equal to f double dash r plus f dash r upon r. So this is our required proof. In next video, we will discuss few more important questions on partial differentiation. So see you in next video. Thank you.